Is human nature inherently good, or merely a canvas awaiting corruption?
From realms of purest light, a profound sorrow descends.
The academic seeks understanding. The academic's quest for knowledge begins with a single, weighty tone.
The group of pedestrians continued, a rhythm of everyday indifference. Yet, for a fleeting moment,
Is this all there is? These pieces, they don't quite fit. What am I truly looking at?
A quiet pull, a silent plea for connection.
Within the meticulously constructed world of the corporate sphere, the corporate professionals group moves with frictionless precision.
the neutral-faced individual offers no judgment, no sorrow, no joy, only a profound absence, a silence that speaks volumes. Here, in this stark environment, human nature begins to unfold. The student guards group assumes control, while the structure defines order. Reflection reveals truth. Between them lies the space where choice begins.
Observe human nature, a fluid and ever-changing core. Around human nature, the pervasive factors of wealth.
Every day brings its own small battles. For the everyday person, each challenge. The delicate equilibrium of human choice often appears deceptively simple. Yet,
The contents it nurtures, like these falling apples, inevitably succumb to its internal rot, a silent
a silent chasm separates the outcast figure from the exclusive circle of people. A simple truth, fractured. The distorted viewer perceives not what is, but what is impossible.
Complacent reflected face saw only what the complacent reflected face wished to see. But mirrors, like truths, can shatter. In the boundless silence of the unknown, one singular truth stands illuminated.
The crossroads traveler, with determination etched into the minimalist lines of the figure, understands the weight of this moment.
to act or not to act. The weight of this single choice is paralyzing.